Airbus 330, of course. Welcome back to Shane Stallions TV. Beautiful, beautiful. The Boeing 777. That's British Airlines. Welcome back to another aircraft spot in Shane Stallions TV. That's an Airbus 330 just passed. This is a Neo, an Airbus also, but this one is a Neo. Beautiful aircraft, as you can see, and it's just another day, right? Safety are our biggest thing, so that's what I'm working on today. Making sure everything is good to go, nice and safe, nice and sound. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I know you guys don't know what you're looking at, but that's all right. Just know that you're safe to go. Buy your aircraft tickets and go on vacation. Enjoy your life.